You may now kiss your bride. May ayaw mag-kiss doon, number 15. Isa pa, isa pa. Now, groom, you may now kiss your bride. Okay, nasa cheeks na. Wala, never mind. Thank you.
This is the one I'm going to...
Ako ninyo,
This is my nana.
asawa na kita ngayon, aking kala. Pwede po ba? Gusto ko po, syempre, ng participation ng bawat isa. Magbibilang po ako ng 1, 2, 3. Ang sasabihin naman po natin ay action. Okay, practice muna tayo. 1, asawa na kita ngayon, aking kala. 1, 2, 3. At syempre, babawi naman po ang ating mga bride. Ang sasabihin naman po ng ating mga bride, asawa mo na ako. Iyong most and earliest birth couple. Contact po natin ay alauna.
Ang ipinakita mo.
Our Best Dressed Couple Award. And our presenter to be awarded by Councilor Levin sa ating Best Dressed Couple Award. Wow, umaapaw na pagmamahal at regalo mula sa ating LGU sa pamumunan ng ating muling Mayor Nina, Vice Mayor IC Sabangan at syempre ang ating mga konsihal sa bayan ng Bayabang. And aside from that, we'll be announcing of Councilor Raymond Camacho, our Best Smile Together Award goes to couple number 29. We have Rachel Bunyo Macaraeg and Jerry Ward Abarques. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, our Best Smile Together Award, once again to be awarded by Municipal Couple number 43, Municipal Councilor Ninong Jose Boy Ramos. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the Strongest Together Award. This badge of honor goes to unbeatable team who's rocking this love, they're hoping.
Amazing.
Hindi ko alam kung ano po yung nangyari kasi hindi ko... Nawala po yung kuya ko.
Councilor Gerardo December 12. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a resounding applause to Most Romantic Couple Award. We have Mr. Dante Palolo together with Karina Santiago Zamora. Let's enjoy the science team prepared with the local government meetings of the Ibac. Here they are with the mayor, Mayor Nino Sanibao, Vice Mayor Axie Gato Sabalay, and the rest of the members of Sangguniang Bayan. And the first po, paalala sa ating mga kapatid, yung mga mesa, John Razor, Dave.
Kaya kami po kami ng 2015. Kaling po kami ng
sila ngayon, palakpakan naman po natin, nasaksihan po natin ang kanilang pag-iisang dibdib kasama po ang ating mga lovely couple. Nung na-disgrasya, alam ko po, may naghihintay din po sa inyong tahanan dahil ang alam ko po sa inyo, meron po atang nag Yan yung mga gusto mo magpapicture. Dapat po kayo dito sa harapan. Narito pa kami mga ninong sa ninang. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Sila na po ay inyong mga ninong at ninang. Yung bawat isa po sa inyo ay naghanda ng kanilang pagkain sa inyong mga tahanan. At dahil ang bilang pagmahal din po, meron din po kami konting mamaon sa lahat po ng ating lovely couples. Yan, sige po. Yung mga gusto na po magpa-picture, lapit po kayo. Bago niyo po lisanin ang ating balot pa yung Bank Event Center dahil alam ko po sa inyong tahanan ay naghihintay na po ang inyong mga bisita, mga ninong at ninangs, at syempre ang lahat po na nagmamahal. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, to our lovely 71 couples, pwede po natin ilapitan ang ating mga elected officials, ang ating mga ninang at ninang para po makapag-picture din kayo. Ayan, para may makapag-picture. Ayan. Ulitin po ang ating mga ninang sa ninang.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be going to the reception now. That's the outside of it guys. Okay, so now it's time to get to the town hall now. So these are all the wedding brides guys. There's so many people get married today. Yes, we're gonna go to the reception.
Hello, Kurt.
What's up? Yes, I can indeed. Yes, I can fit on the Brian. Yes, I can fit on a tricycle. Kuya.
My friend.
Hello, friend. Anything to say to the fans? This is for YouTube.
Oh,
I'm a content creator. Anything to say to the fans? Yes.
Hey, on YouTube.
What city are we in?
What?
What city are we in? What's the name of this city?
Bayambang. Bayambang, Pangasinan. Hello. I'm proud Bayambang.
Good. And you got the name on there as well?
Yes.
Wow, there this guy. The name is also on there. Wow, so nice to meet you. You're welcome. Bye.
Be sure I know my part, 'cause I stand beside you through the years. You'll only cry those happy tears, and do one big mistakes. I'll never break your heart. I swear, whatever. Special dance together as a husband. Itna madam. Oh, yes, yes, madam. All right, once again, good afternoon everyone. We're here for a special dance. Meron ating bagong kasal. This is a symbol of pagbibigay pagmamahal para po sa ating bagong kasal. Be sure I know my part.